Hello guys! So for this video, pag-uusapan ulit natin itong related rates problem. We'll be talking about right circular cone. So we have here a problem, a right circular cone for which H is equal to R is used as a reservoir. If water is drawn off at a constant rate of 8 cubic feet per minute, how fast is the water level decreasing when the water is 15 feet deep? And we have here the formula or the equation for volume sa ating right circular cone, which is pi over 3 r squared h. Take note that in our first statement, it says that h is equal to r. Dito sa ating right circular cone, which is height is equal to radius. The first thing that you have to do is, of course, draw a right circular cone. So for example, this is our right circular cone. Okay. Then on the first statement, it says that our height and our radius sa ating right circular cone is equal. So meaning ang height natin ng ating circular cone, this is our height and this is our radius. Okay? This is the radius of our circular cone. Ito. Okay? It says height is equal to radius. Then if water is drawn off at a constant rate of 8 cubic feet per minute, so 8 cubic feet per minute, let me erase this one muna. And dito natin ilagay ang H is equal to R. When water is drawn off daw, so may tubig dyan na lumalabas, at a rate, so meron ditong at a constant rate of 8 cubic feet per minute. Okay, so meaning, ang volume po natin, because it's water that is drawn off, so this is 8 cubic feet per minute. Okay? So ito po is our volume. It is negative because it is drawn off. Okay? Drawn off meaning lumiliit yung ating volume dito. The water sa ating circular cone. So it's negative from the statement here, drawn off. At a constant rate of 8 cubic feet per minute. How fast is the water level decreasing? So we are asked to get the water level decreasing. So, sa hint na your answer is a negative answer. Okay? When the water is 15 feet deep. Okay, so bale, dito po, meron tayong, if this is our water, so let me change the color. Blue, if this is our water, okay, this is our water. Our water is 15, okay, feet deep. So that's 15 feet. Of course, kung meron tayong water dito, it also form a circular cone. So we have also here the radius of our water. From here to here. That's the radius of our water. And we're asked the water level, how fast the water level decreasing. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do, ayan, is to draw and identify what is given and what is asked in the problem. And we have the formula of the volume of our cone, which is pi over 3 r squared h. Okay, next is the first thing that you have to do is to look at if right circular cone yung given, ang kailangan yung gawin para makuha natin yung radius ng water is to do the similar triangle. Okay? Similar triangle. Bale, the height of your water and the height of your reservoir or your cone and the radius of your water and the radius of your cone. So let's say radius of our water over the radius of our cone is equal to the height of our water, okay, and the height of our cone. Okay, but take note, in the first statement, it says the height of our cone is equal to the radius of our cone. So this one, we can change this one to RC. Kasi yung height is just equal to the radius of our cone. So you can rewrite that one as RW over RC is equal to HW, height over water, over RC. Now we have RW. We don't have RW, so let's just rewrite. Do we have RC? We also don't have RC, but we do have the height of our water, which is 15 feet. So let's write 15 feet deep over RC. Now, if you will cross multiply this one, it will give you, say, RW times RC is equal to 15 RC. You have RC on both sides. You can cancel that out. So we have here that the radius of our water is just also equal to 15 feet. Okay? Then, the next thing that you have to do, this is applicable, class, always if you are dealing with the right circular cone. Okay, to get the value of the other radius or height, you do similar triangle. After that, we can now use our formula sa ating circular cone, which is V is equal to pi over 3 r squared over r squared h. Now, let's rewrite here, volume is equal to pi over 3 okay, r squared h. So again, take note that our height and height of our circular cone is just equal to our radius. So we can rewrite this one. So we can rewrite this one in terms of our height because we are to get the level of the water decreasing. So the level of the water decreasing is actually our dH over dt. So that's h squared times h. Again, from the first statement, that height is equal to r. Okay? Therefore, is now equal to pi over 3. This is h cubed. Now, this is the time that you will take the derivative. Okay, take the derivative. So, the derivative of that is, of course, dv over dt is equal to pi over 3 times 3 h squared, it's dh over dt. Now, we know dv over dt. Okay, on our problem, it says it is drawn off at a rate of 8 cubic feet per minute. This word cubic feet is a hint that is a volume. Okay, because when you say volume, it is in cubic. So that's negative 8 cubic feet per minute. Basta may mga ganito class, it means it is volume. Okay, cubic is equal to, again, 3 divided by 3 cancel. So we have pi. H is 15. Okay, 15 height deep. So that's 15 squared. That's dH over dt. So yeah, what you have to do is to transpose. Okay, transpose this constant to the other side. So you can, what is 15 squared? Or what is 15 squared? So 15 feet squared is 225. So we can rewrite that one as negative 8 cubic feet over per minute is equal to 225 pi feet squared dH over dt. Now we will divide that one both sides by 225 pi feet squared para makancel natin yan sila. The other side also 225 pi square feet. Cancel the feet. Dalawa dito, then dalawa din dito. So, merong isa pang natira. So, our final answer now is, or dH over dt is negative 8 feet per minute. Over 225 pi feet per minute. Okay? So, that's negative because it is decreasing. So, this is now our final answer, negative 8 over 225 pi feet per minute. So, I think hanggang dito lang ating video. I hope ay meron kayong natutunan that whenever you deal with the right circular cone, you can do similar triangle para makuha na yung values ng ating radius and height on both the cone and also what is inside the cone is either water or sand. Pagkatapos, do your derivative and do your algebra and you can now get your final answer. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and God bless po sa inyo.